Have you ever woke up in the morning and decided you wanted to work on something, but quickly realized you didn't have the parts to complete the job? Well, that's the scenario we find ourselves in today. We have this 95 Cadillac, and the stereo is just sitting in here. It's been rattling around, and of course we don't have a adapter in stock anywhere in town. So we're going to blow the dust off the 3D printer and get to work. All right, first step, we're going to take some measurements. All right, let's jump to the computer. So now we're going to jump on Fusion 360 and we're going to model up our adapter here. You can download Fusion 360 for free and use the free version of it to model up parts just like we've done here. And really, it doesn't take that long to figure out how this software works. You can watch some tutorial videos and figure it out, but very handy software. This definitely helps us build just about anything we want. The next step is going to be to send this model over to a slicing software so that we can get it ready for the 3D printer. And here's the software we're going to be using to get the part ready for the printer. It's called Creality Slicer, and you can download that for free as well. The printer we're using is a Creality K1 Max, and we're going to send it over now. Okay, let's do a test fit to see if it fits. All right. Okay, we're going to stick this outer keeper in here. All right, those little tabs will help keep this holder inside the adapter. So then we're going to push this in, and if it seems like it wants to fall out, we might put a little bit of silicone or something to keep it in there, but it seems to be a pretty good fit. Now we're going to hook up the stereo, and there it clicked in. And that's a same-day turnaround. That's just how easy it is to make your own parts when they're not available. So that's how you can build just about anything. If you don't have the parts you're looking for, just print them on your 3D printer. Stay tuned for the next time we need some parts and we decide to build them ourselves.